Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you recover your deleted post from your Facebook. Sometimes we post in Facebook and then delete the post. So in this video how can you recover your deleted post I will show. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For doing that you have to open your main Facebook app. You can see here I am on my main Facebook app, and from here I have to open, and then you have to go your profile. You can see here I am on my profile, and then let's take I want to delete this post. You have to click here 3-dot menu, and you can see here move to task. That's why we delete our post. So if I click here, you can see here I post this post in my Instagram and Facebook, so they are showing remove from both. So I am simply removing from only Facebook, then you can see the post have been deleted. So how can I recover this post? For this reason you have to get back from here, and then you can see here profile icon. You have to click here profile icon, and then you have to scroll down, and then you can see here option settings and privacy. You can see here settings and privacy. You have to click here settings and privacy, and then you can see here settings option, and then you can see here you have to scroll down, then you can see here activity log. So before showing that I want to say that if you delete your post within 30 days only you can back. Means after 30 days you will cannot get your deleted post. It's a rule of Facebook. As like we delete our post from our phone gallery and we recover it within 30 days. That's how here works in Facebook. If you delete a post, then you will can recover it within 30 days. Before after 30 days you can recover it. So for recovering you have to click here activity log, and then you can see here option task. If you delete in task, then you have to click here task. If you delete in archive, you have to click here archive. So I am simply delete in task, so I am simply click on task. Then you can see here I delete 2 posts. It's 8 day left and it's 29 day left as I delete now. So after 29 days it will vanish, and it will vanish after 8 days. So you have to click here 3-dot line, and then you have to click here restore to profile. You can see here restore to profile, and then you will can see here in your profile. If you go again, then you will can see here your post. You have to here refresh, then you will can see your post have been arrived in your profile. So that's how you can recover your deleted post within 30 days. After 30 days you cannot recover. It's a rule of Facebook. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.